अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू द नैब्स फूड कॉर्नर। ओके, सो आज की हमारी रेसिपी है चिकन एंड वेजिटेबल मैक्रोनी। सबसे पहले हम अनियन ले लेंगे, गार्लिक, कैरेट, कैप्सिकम, बॉइल्ड मैक्रोनी 1 पैकेट, पोटैटो, चिली सॉस, vinegar, soya sauce, chicken 1 bowl, juice, and then oyster sauce, tabasco sauce, chili sauce, mayonnaise, garlic powder and paprika powder. Okay, so let's start making. First of all, we add some oil in it. Okay, 5 tablespoon oil. I'll mention the quantity over here, so don't worry about it. Okay, now we will add the garlic and onion. Okay, now add some chicken and saute it. If you want to cut the chicken in different shape, you can cut it. Okay, now I am adding some spices, salt, black pepper, button chilies, paprika powder, garlic powder, mix it and saute it. Okay, until it gets tender. After that, we will add some lemon juice and then we will mix it, saute it, and then our chicken is ready. We will separate it and put it outside, and now we will add some potatoes in the same oil. Okay, now saute it just for 5 minutes because it doesn't take time. Side by side it will cook. Okay, now after that we will add some capsicum and carrot. Actually, I like the tender vegetables in Chinese food, so that's why I didn't cook it for so long. Okay, I just add it and now I saute it for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll cover it for 5 minutes, and after that I will add some spices and macaroni in it. Okay, so now you can see I cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I take it out the cover, and now you can see my vegetables. It looks so tender. Okay, now add some spices, salt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon of button chilies, half teaspoon paprika, and half teaspoon of garlic powder, soya sauce, vinegar, chili sauce. Okay, so don't worry about the quantity because I have already told you in my intro. Okay, now Worcestershire sauce, okay, if you don't have Worcestershire sauce, it's okay, it's not a big deal, don't put it, just put other things. Okay, because it's not necessary. Okay, I just added because giving little bit change flavor. It's okay if you don't have. Okay, now I will add some macaronis in it, and then I'll add the half quantity in it because I can easily mix it, and then I added the leftover amount. Okay, now I added the leftover amount, and then I'll add some chicken and some ketchup and mayonnaise, and that's it. If you want to add some cheddar cheese in it, you can add it, okay? If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section, okay? Definitely I will answer you. I hope you like my recipe. It's very change and it was very delicious. I hope you will make it and then tell me in the comment section, because your comments will always appreciate me. Okay, now I will add some chili sauce. It's up to you. According to your taste, you will add. If you want to add more, then you will add more. If you want to add less quantity, then you will add less, okay? It's totally up to you. And if you like mayonnaise, then you will add. If you don't like mayonnaise, don't add. Now we will mix it properly and then cover it for 5 minutes. Okay, now you can see my macaroni. It looks so delicious. It was very delicious. Trust me, you try this recipe. It's such a mouth-watering recipe. Make it and tell me in the comment section, and serve it with garlic sauce and mayonnaise, and then eat it. It's ready to eat, you can see. So I hope you like it. Tell me in the comment section. Do like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.